Hello everyone, so this is the nail design we're going to be working on this week. I forced myself to do a nail design, so I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. So I decided to do one. For as a nail update and everything, I told you all when I went out of town on the cruise, and I've been gone from YouTube for a while, that I've been neglecting my nails, so they're not long, they've been breaking and everything else. So the nails that I have now, the pointer finger and my ring finger, those are my natural nails, but the rest of on each hand, my pointer finger and my ring finger are my natural nails. The rest of the nails are actually like some little tips that I put on because my nail had broken off so bad. So, and I couldn't even shape my nails. So eventually when they grow out a little bit, I'm going to take the tips off and I'm going to have to cut my nails down one more time. And then after that, I'll be able to grow them out long naturally again. So the design that we're going to be doing on the ring finger is going to be the same on my pointer finger. Is the same design we're going to be working on. So I added a crystal, AB Swarovski crystal. I added some of those on my nails, and the size that I use is size 6SS. And like I said, I decided to keep this nail design pretty simple and quick. So hopefully you like this nail design. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.